Nikyo, that shock value again. Nikyo, roll this out. This hand comes straight in at that point into a side nage. So, Nikyo, roll, side nage. Right away. Have that pin, roll. And Suka needs to be able to turn, create this circle coming back down as you keisugiri. Okay, as you do that diagonal cut. Then as you come in for your secondary cut, you bounce this. Okay? Bounce this to the point where you go back. So it's cut, 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 cut. Because as you deflect, you want to be able to spiral into the Tsuriyage movement, then bring your hand back and retract. So you do Ukanagashi, Tsuriyage movement. Ukanagashi, Tsuriyage movement. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. So from here, take a punch, nice and slow. 1, 2, Tsuriyage, Tsuriyage. Here's the Iri Minage, down he goes. So get the kick, Ukanagashi. Here's the Iri Minage. Minuchi, Geiran Gaishi. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your buddy line here. So as you come through, you can grab that. Basically, you come right in and you leg sweep this out so they fall right in your center. From that point, you can see Frank is really right in my workspace at that point.
But your strike should keep him from shooting in. And as soon as you strike, it just comes right back over the fingers. And it doesn't take a lot. You don't have to crank this all the way up. It's just a little torque. And they go.
Flexion, grab. Right from there, you could actually, if you wanted, you could step into this. Now you have the hammer fist or hammer fist that way.